Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to monetize your Instagram account. Alright, so let's begin. Now, there's just a small tab that you want to know. If you do not have a professional account, you won't be able to monetize or check the monetization status on your account. So now, let's get started. The first thing you should do is to simply open your Instagram on your phone. And after that, you should click on this icon, your profile icon right here. Then, as you can see, it will show this page. Go to these three lines on the top right corner. So you need to scroll down till you find account type and tools. So click on account type and tools. Then click on switch to professional account. After that, click on continue till you finish this process. It's very easy. Then, when it asks you what best describes you, you can choose whatever you want, then click on done. Then I'm going to choose creator, then click on next. And this is how you can switch your account to a professional account. Now, you should go back to your profile, then click on these three lines right here, then scroll down till you find creator tools and controls. Click on it, then scroll down till you find monetization status. Tap on it, and now as you can see, it will show that you are now able to monetize. Make sure to check all these policies and you will have this green icon right here. Now, go back and you can click on add payments and add payment to your account. This can be done only if monetization is available in your country. So after clicking on it, click payment methods, then it will ask you just to enter your payment method, and then you will be able to see your balance. You will be able to withdraw once you reach $25 on your balance. Then you can go back and check everything about the monetization, and that is it. So that's basically how you can monetize your Instagram account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.